Now you're educated about the muscle. How do you stretch it? Let's head over to the room and I'm going to show you my favorite stretches for releasing the subscapularis. This routine for the subscapularis really should only take you 2 to 3 minutes start to finish. These are super easy, no weight, no weird positions, fully standing. The first thing we're gonna do is warm up the shoulder girdle so we have a good blood flow into the shoulders. I like to do that by going straight out and just doing circles in each direction. We'll do about 10 to 15 circles in each direction, and then we're gonna move to that first movement. The first movement we're gonna do is called shoulder floss. If you've been following along, you know I love this move. It helps so many people with not just their shoulder, but some neck pain too. The setup for this one, you wanna act like you're an end zone referee and you're saying they just made the field goal. The goal is to keep it completely level across the tee right here. We're gonna put our hands straight down, keeping the elbows high. Try to go behind your back a little bit. Elbows are still in the air. And then we're gonna come back up. And we're gonna do this movement 4 to 5 times.